Hey guys, I am going to show you how I do some of my displacement effects. Um, this is an effect that will probably be in my next disastrous collab. Um, I'm going to add some text here just so you can see that with this method you can basically put whatever under the adjustment layer and it'll displace it. So let me just put something like B B for boyfriends. There we go. Not that it really matters, but yeah. Um, and now I'm going to add the adjustment layer. Go to Effect, Distort, Transform, and I'm going to scale this so it's like at 1/16. Doesn't really matter. And then you just mask out this adjustment layer and that'll add distortion where you want it. Say you want another line that's smaller here. And basically you get that. And another thing I do sometimes is scale the transform so it's kind of moving. And I'm going to go ahead and have the picture move so it's not just sitting here. You can kind of see an animation or whatever. What is going on? Okay. And excuse me, I'm sorry. There is something in my throat. And I would also animate this, the mask path. So I'm gonna just put some keyframes there. And you can kind of get creative with this. Because you can do some cool kind of transitions. You can maybe start off over here. And have this go over here. And then you get something kind of like that. Yeah, so you can get creative with it and make your own variations, but yeah, that's an easy way to do this kind of displacement effect. I thought maybe this would be a cool tutorial to do. And I sometimes like to add like a little brightness just to kind of add some more variation and maybe a little bit of camera lens blur. Not too much of it though. And so it just gives it more variation. Yeah, and I like that. I think it looks cool, and hopefully you guys think so too. So yeah, I will see you guys next week. If you have any requests, let me know. And see you soon.